I got here my ingredients and let's start baking the brain cupcakes for Halloween treats. I am blending here the raspberries into puree consistency using the brown immersion blender. We don't want the seeds, so let's remove them with a strainer. Lining the muffin tray with 12 cupcake papers and preheat the oven in 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Time to do the cake batter. Starting with my raspberry mixture, just add the milk and mix it. Then we make the flour mixture with all the dry ingredients and whisk together. Using stand mixer with paddle attachment, let's beat the sugar and butter until fluffy for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add the eggs one at a time and beating them well after each addition, and next the vanilla and the food coloring. The food coloring you can always add more if you want to achieve the red color, and it depends also how much concentrated your food color. When mixing the butter, don't forget to scrape the sides so it's evenly mixed. Add the flour and raspberry mixture alternately and ending it with flour mixture. Fill the liners with 2/3 full of batter and it's ready to bake in the oven. As soon as the pick comes out clean when inserted, our cupcakes are done, and transfer it to cool down in the wire rack. I'm making here the frosting from scratch, the Swiss buttercream frosting. This one tastes really good and it's one of my favorite frosting for cake decorating. Time to decorate the cupcakes with brain toppings. Pipe a brain design and starting with a dome in the middle, and it's okay to be messy looking one brain. Let's do the blood mixture with raspberry jam or marmalade and start drizzle it to the top of the brain frosting. And our brain cupcakes is done and ready for Halloween treats. Hope you enjoy, guys!